Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the right signals, enable location, web and app activity, and add personalization so Google can match surveys to you. Next, use one consistent Google account for this purpose. Frequent switching fragments your profile and reduces invites. Once done, open Google Opinion Rewards and complete every profile question honestly. Provide accurate age, gender, language, and interests so the algorithm knows when to send you surveys. These initial steps increase relevance and frequency very quickly. To increase match rate, make your activity rich and consistent. Use Google Maps, Search, and YouTube while signed in because those signals feed the survey system. When a quick prompt or receipt review appears, respond promptly and accurately. These small interactions tell the system you are an engaged respondent. Also, vary your real-world activity, commute routes, shopping categories, and places you visit, so Google has more categories to match surveys against, which raises the chance you qualify. Finish by ensuring the app can notify you. Allow notifications, disable restrictive battery optimizations, and let background sync run. If survey flow stalls, troubleshoot. Clear the app cache, sign out and back in, or reinstall Google Opinion Rewards. These steps refresh your profile signals. If you receive irrelevant prompts, update your profile answers and continue varied activity so the system relearns your preferences. One practical tip: check notification settings first. Many missed surveys are simply disabled alerts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.